This is the northernmost edge of America, Alaska. The sun stays up for 2 months or doesn't rise at all. Winters can drop to -58 degrees Fahrenheit. There are more bears than people, over 100,000 bears. The northern lights paint the sky here. It's the biggest state, but barely populated. Fishing and wildlife are a way of life. Oil is the heart of its economy. And it was bought from Russia for just $7.2 million in 1867. Denali. The tallest peak in North America stands at over 20,000 feet. Alaska is pure nature, silence, and wild beauty. A world beyond the edge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.